Hello, sir. What can you say about the current economic situation of the country right now?
See, Nigeria is the best country. Everything is moving fine. Everything is going okay. Our economy is the best economy. Look at the fuel price now. The fuel price is okay the way it is right now. As you can see me like this, I eat 3 times in a day. Who said the president is not trying? He's doing his best. So why are we not complaining?
Thank you, sir, for being honest and a patriotic citizen.
My money.
One man again.
What's up, my people? What's the sub on a day? Happy Sunday to you all, and to all the mothers there. I just want to say happy Mother's Day and happy Eid to all the Muslims out there. You understand? So this one is for you guys, dedicated specifically for you guys. You understand? So make sure to watch to the very end. Subscribe if you're yet to do that, and share this video. It's very, very important. You feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Daddy, the wedding was glorious.
Amen. Yeah, everybody was happy.
Shank.
Now that 2 of us is together, see, I can't wait to eat. I can't wait to just be chill.
I knew you'd be hungry.
Why would you know that I'm hungry?
Chop beans.
This way they bring beans. For my wedding night, make I chop beans. Even if I want shop, now come beans I go shop. You know if you do chicken and chips or burger, now beans. Beans.
I don't want to eat. Let me do beans and abacha.
Beans and abacha. Me, I because it's now. See, put beans one side there.
But
Sister Mary. See, I'm not talking about physical food. I'm talking about food that God has given you that you don't need to microwave it. You just give me food that will make me shake on this bed. You'll be mumu.
Daddy, now I know what you're talking about. Let's shake this building.
Prayer.
Can I form you on the way?
Prayer mode.
Shake the prison.
What the fuck?
Shake this building. Shake this building.
Jesus not here. Jesus not here. Not my asshole. Wait. This one. Jesus not here. Direct. Maybe it's really no shake.
Daddy, you said you wanted us to shake the building.
Now why they send Jesus make it shake up? Now you the parents. Now you want me landlord kill me. Sammy, you said that I should wait till our wedding night. That after our wedding night, that you're going to give it to me. Now I reach wedding night. Now you're calling Paula Salas. Now Paula Salas won't give me head.
Is it not against the will of God?
When I pay that price, that one the will of God. Sister Mary, let me shop now.
Oh, you know, let's do it.
Bad guy. Let me finally.
What's this?
So I don't know what this is.
I don't know. That cannot be for me.
It's for you.
God forbid, that cannot be for me.
Go for me.
What you mean that's sure?
Sister Mary is fine. See, you are not on the floor. No worry, every angle is going.
Feel like a husband, not Amina.
Friend Jotter.
Why in the waka like that? He don't graduate, he won't go salute his sponsor. Brother, go out to me.
Not to graduate, I not to get work.
I wonder.
Not to graduate, I not to get work.
Jesus, I will give you better stuff. Good afternoon,
Hey, congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
I used to graduate today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
God,
well done.
You know it's you.
Yeah. What do you go study for school now?
You say?
What do you study for school?
Banking and finance. So.
Yeah. So why you say power bank?
You say?
He said now why you say power bank?
Yeah. Well done.
Banking and finance. I take correlate.
Yes, nice
landing. You're picking one study for school.
Astronauts. Astronauts.
Okay, I'm picking one.
Yes, astronauts. Yes.
This one.
Yes, do that.
What is the name?
Kunduz.
Okay, Kunduz will be astronaut.
Yes.
I tell right.
I wonder.
Which school you want to go study astronaut?
For Kwara Poly.
Don't be annoyed. The lecturer will go teach him how to be astronaut. What you go use the come school?
Korope.
In the year, now Korope, the lecturer will want to teach him how to go space to use God.
For me, I want to be farmer.
Is that what it is?
I want to be farmer.
No. You see, now I know they let my pikin they associate with those kind of children. Hey, Kunduz, see, I don't think you make you know they associate with this boy. Farmer, you know they hear what
okay, no one make your pikin associate.
No
one be farmer.
Farmer.
Why? Because
the two they suffer.
the two they suffer.
Okay,
farmer they suffer.
Wait.
Astronaut, if he graduate, what thing go they do?
If he graduate, he go they follow go space.
Okay, Kunduz go space.
Yes.
Kunduz not try. You why do you want to be a farmer?
Because I want to meet the food supply of the people.
How many types of farming do we have?
Mixed farming, aquaculture, dry farming, organic farming, plantation farming, crop rotation. Hey, this is no book.
You who is an astronaut?
Mommy will be astronaut. I don't know. I just know say money they do work.
Your money they do work. So you won't be astronaut?
No, I don't want to be astronaut. Mommy say make I be astronaut. I want to be police.
Okay, you don't know why you won't be astronaut. Can your mommy say you make you be astronaut? You go cry.
Don't worry.
You will be mama. You be black Jesus. You go cry. Carry the camera, come.
Oh my God.
Now this kind of things, now the mama they do. When we say tomorrow, they go say, how many of you remember this guy? Carry the camera, come.
I beg, let's go to beg.
Papa, this is the Odogu that wants to marry me.
Yes, so Ashalogu. We will marry you.
Achalogu, I'm going to marry you.
My in-law, you are welcome. So the marriage list is, don't worry. That's to show you that my system is functioning very well. There are people in the hospital, they are paying money to do this. You understand? So let's proceed. That marriage list I'm talking about.
Jesus.
Which kind of man be this one?
I told you before, my system is functioning very well, my son-in-law.
Let's have it.
So this we are in the same track, my son-in-law. He came out well. That's to show you your system is functioning.
Thank you, my in-law.
So this marriage list I'm
Jesus!
Did you bring a mess up?
Let me tell you something. Wait.
Can you imagine? Wow.
Emeka.
Is that not Jolly? Jolly Stews.
Come. Now your car be this.
Nah, this is one of my toys.
One of my toys.
As a matter of fact, my G-guard is on the high seat. Oh, Nadia.
My brother, God will do one for you, go run out for me. I swear to God. I swear.
No be God run out.
Who
Who tell you not God run out?
Who are you?
Who run out?
Onyegwagi.
Tell us who run out now. My guy don't do that, but
That nonsense talk to that.
my guy don't do that. Single people. Which kind of nonsense love that they play with my phone?
God have mercy upon us.
Single people are jealous.
Now what for you, bro?
You can reach out now, match out. Get so.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Work is done.
Now you know some person is going to.
Let me tell you something.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, hi. Afternoon.
I don't normally do this, sir. But do you know you can become a millionaire in 2 days?
For where?
I'm already a millionaire.
Wow.
You're already a millionaire?
Yes, please.
Do you know you can become a billionaire in 4 days?
I'm already a billionaire.
You're already a billionaire?
Yes. You give me a moment, please.
Please, help me.
Wow, my guy quickly confess.
I beg you, na Baba shop.
Which kind of nonsense question is that?
What for you? Now what for you?
Slap. When I give her a slap. Slap.
Let's watch this video.
Name of club that I know. Real Madrid, Liverpool, Chelsea, Man City, Aston Villa, Bayern Munich. Name of player that you know. Rolando, Messi, Mbappe, Neymar, Kupama.
No, Vinicius with the Madrid.
Oh, Vinicius. Name of car that you know. There's us. Lamborghini. GLB.
God forbid.
Just see the GLB now. Yes, GLB. That means they see GLB. You understand the GLB? Kiriku, you don't shoot me. Who they shoot you? You wanna know anything? Hey! Go ask Uncle now. Who's your uncle? I want Uncle now. As soon as I will back up, as soon as I will go cast down. I want to go ask. Everything in the name of 12, they talk for it.
Jesus.
I will go a better person.
Jesus!
Poor man picking, they see something. So much poor man picking crowd that you know the last comment of a fool.
Yo.
Kaku.
Women.
This camp. Not hate. This camp. I'm going to me. This camp. Not hate. But you want to bless. No. When mama goes about.
I don't want peace. Poor. Breathe.
Karukati.
Babe, why are you not eating? What's the problem?
I'll eat.
Okay.
Oh my God, bro.
Babe,
What's in the shop now?
please eat your food. You're not eating.
Babe, can I get something outside?
You want to get something outside?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Please be fast, okay? I'm waiting.
Shut up, the man you won't go meet.
Jesus Christ. Babe, I beg no verse. Before I chop, I dey like smoke when my belly open. Not be only me the thing they happen to. If he asks around safe, I go like for now.
Hi! Lean down.
Igbo self na compulsory normal.
Are you enjoying the movie?
No.
When you both
What's
want
wrong?
it, but neither of you wants to say it.
We just go here now.
Why are you acting this way?
How am I acting?
You don't feel comfortable, Kama.
So I'm not sitting down on the table, that's why. Maybe I should just change the movie where we can watch Bahubali. Okay, baby.
When I took to one time, I will make person just do the thing.
Jesus wept. Oh, I think Jesus smiled. Oh.
Jesus smiled. I mean, Jesus wept.
I just watch a romantic movie. I don't know if you don't mind.
I don't understand. Why are you doing like this? What do you want?
What do I want?
Yes. Do you need anything?
Yes. I want to off your partner, baby. That's what I need.
Why are you like this?
I want to off your partner.
You should have told me now. You're not acting as if
Should I have told you?
Yes, now.
You want to off your partner also?
I
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Hey!
ẹ wo àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́dún tó gbẹ̀ngbẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ ọmọ ọlọ́dún ìgò rèé lójú ọmọ ọ̀daràn.
Cho ọmọ bíbá ẹnu àti bíbá ẹni oyin bí ìsìyà picture ẹ̀ mọ̀sáyà wá wetin happen ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ka jókòó náà kí ṣe bá ṣe ń ṣe ń bèrè.
Oga, tell her what you want.
Wetin sup?
The Sabinus na to come take pictures on the like.
I found sparkling water. Give us sparkling.
Only sparkling water.
Yes. Starters. Sorry, you coming in water.
I don't know if I picture them once in a life. This kind of people, I know them. Only God knows.
Sorry, please. You have to stop this. You have to take an order before you take.
Wetin up? Like one police station, you have to take another. Rufai bolo mu why? Wọ́n náà ló máa mọ location wo de. Mo sọ pé ká lọ sí first location ìwọ náà ló ní kí wá bí. Ọ̀gá gbé báàgì jàre. Wetin up? No be money we wan come spend there. But what Akola ti order? Oh God, I don't even snap again.
You don't snap a picture. You don't do what you want.
Ìbí ti yàtọ̀ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n náà bẹ̀ kí ló ṣe kí ló dé? Ibo ló ti fò lọ? Ọ̀gá dé ọjọ́ kòkó ṣe kí ló ṣe náà. Ọmọ ya just say gbé picture yẹn fast. Kó má pẹ́. Give us water, sparkling water. Oncho. Kó má lọ fà.
Before you go come back, they go snap again.
Gbé picture yẹn fún mi. Ọmọ olóko. Bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ dáadáa style yẹn jẹ́ ní.
Ẹ ṣe mi pẹ̀fẹ́ fò. I don't want to see myself in that picture.
Ta ni yẹn?
I hope I'm not in that picture.
I just go to myself.
Flash that camera.
Mo tẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ kọ́bí àti ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà. Kí ló ṣe ẹ̀? Kí ló fọ́ 20? Bọ́lá wọ̀ bíjà ẹ̀. Wọ̀ bíjà ẹ̀. Ẹjẹ́ tó wọ̀ bíjà ẹ̀. Ìjà ẹ̀. Jẹ́bọ̀bọ̀ èmi lọ́wọ́ ní méjì. It's not me, you saw me. You want to find me?
Please, outside, please.
Now those pictures are going slow.
Jiggy, you want to find it?
77 moko, mo kì í ṣe yes for all. Rẹ́sì tó sọ pé mo mọ̀. Ìkà tó gbé bọ́ọ̀lì, àbákà tó ní kálá, ó di.
Hello, sir. What can you say about the current economic situation of the country right now?
See, Nigeria is the best country. Everything is moving fine. Everything is going okay. Our economy is the best economy. Look at the fuel price now. The fuel price is okay the way it is right now. As you can see me like this, I eat 3 times in a day. Who said the president is not trying? He's doing his best. So why are we not complaining?
Thank you, sir, for being honest and a patriotic citizen.
My money.
One man again.
Hey, Okada, that Joshua.
Sai ne ka samu mashine ina ruwanka kace gome yana aiki wani gwamnati ne yana aiki mai yayi sada gome yayi sada na ruwanka da ni dan Allah tafi mu banza
ẹjọ ẹ fún mi ní gàrí.
irú yìí lèmi ọ̀tajà fún níbi táwa kan ò ti rí kankan jẹ gbogbo gàrí ló ti wọ́n gbogbo nǹkan ló ti wọ́n nílé ayé yìí ẹ wá ń sọ pé òtítà torí wọ́n ti fún yín lówó ẹ kó sí lọ kẹ́kọ́ báyìí bọ́lá ti wá gan ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń bá mi jẹ́ káàkiri ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dá yìí.
Watch your back. If your hand touch that gate, I swear to my God, you no go see this hand again. You go invisible, they tell you the truth. Oh, you get mad, you go media, tell them say they chop 3 times a day, Abi. Even your landlord, I never chop for 2 days, and you never pay my house rent. And I see your bag. Get out of my house. Hey. Give yourself. Should be say you get good economy, and I go live for that place. God punish you.
When you come from this man, are you mad? Or go buy you this useless stupid man? Hello? I beg you in the name of God, you have to delete that video.
No, I cannot delete the video. You know what? I'll give you 100k.
Hey! Please, everything is hard. People are dying. How much is rice? How much is meat? How much is food? Can I help us?
Don't go follow for the challenge. See, I don't understand. So, to be honest, I think the biggest influencers we have right now in Nigeria are all these content creators. I think they are just the biggest influencers because they can turn anything into content. You understand? They can turn anything into content, and that's just it. This is the reality. You understand? A lot of people, they meet them, they pay them to say something very nice about the government, of which it is very obvious. Say things are not moving fine. You understand? So I wouldn't understand why you collect 5k, 10k, even if it's 1 million naira, to say that something that is red is black. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Now you can see, and thank God that we are no longer in the old stone age. So we say a lot of things we don't see that, we don't see it, we don't know what happened in the what did they call it inside. They will now come outside and be telling us something else. But now we see things in real time. When something is happening, we know. People are wiser now. You collect geek, can't they talk nonsense, or they expect many people they believe you. Things are really expensive. Things are really expensive, and I don't even understand why the government is like this. Now I don't hear say they won't ban solar. I mean they banned solar panel. You don't give us 24 hours electricity, and now people have been trying their best to fix electricity themselves by now switching to solar. You understand? So that they will be having constant light. The same government has moved to ban those solar panels. What do they want Nigerians to do? They want Nigerians to suffer. They want Nigerians to always beg to eat. It don't make sense. What do you think about this video, guys? Because like this, I don't verse. Like I don't verse, to be honest. And because this last one now, it's not just about comedy. This particular last one now is more of what is happening in the society. You feel me? So tell me, what's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do the needful. Try your best to subscribe. You understand? Share this video. It's very important for the growth of my channel. And check out my other videos. I have so many videos on my channel. That's just it, guys. So see you in my next video, guys. I love you all.